Okay, Nik Bear here. This is the response I got from Ayanna Pressley, my congressperson. Just nothing but a form letter. Somebody could have sent this letter via mail in 1980 and, in fact, via email in the 80s as well. Email existed then, but wasn't really popular until the 1990s. This is no different from an auto response from if you put an auto response, I'm away for 3 weeks, whatever. Absolutely nothing. Her office could have easily used an LOM to read I don't think she read my letter, or anybody in her office read my letter. At least that's what the feedback says. We did not read it. We do not care. Even though she says your advocacy is super important to us, just sort of politician bullshit talk. There's no evidence there that she or anybody in her office read what I sent. Even if you're too busy, you have a bazillion people emailing you because of the constitutional crisis we're currently under. You can use LLMs to create a customized response. Here on my website is my policy on the issue that you care about. Even mine, which is probably unique, probably nobody sent a letter offering AI home. An LLM can read it and return a highly articulated, customized response to her policies, to her view, the world, to everything. This is nothing. This is how not to use AI because I don't think she's using it AI at all in the age of AI. And this is her website. It says we care, blah 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 blah, and we're progressive. We care, yada yada yada. We're fighting hard for you. We listen to you. And then her response is, nobody in our office read your email, your message. One that she's advocating for, unlike AOC, where she has a terrible website. The website isn't bad. And she's openly asking for feedback on her website. So tell me your issue. Tell me what you want. Da, 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 da. So I did it. And her response is, well, we don't care. Okay. Again, in the age of AI, this is an excuse. Even if her office is busy, language models can get a customized response, which are also customized to her persona, to her view of the world and her policies. And send that. Setting this, the generic, I don't care, auto reply, says she does not care. Okay? They care.